Hello everyone, this is Chris Surface here for week 4 assignment of FTT 122. Today's date is March 2nd, 2025. Today's assignment is on stopping power. This seems to be a controversial topic among many gun enthusiasts. For part 1, it appears that there are many formulas that try to perform a calculation of the stopping power of ammunition. During my research, I found a blog called Effective Firearms Stopping Power Calculator. It's a smartphone app on usconcealedcarry.com, written by Scott W. Wagner on January 19th of 2018. In this blog, it states that there are 4 formulas for the calculation of stopping power used in that app that help determine the stopping power of each type of ammunition. These 4 formulas are the Taylor knockout factor, the Thorniley stopping power formula, the Hatcher relative stopping power formula, and the Hatcher relative stopping power formula expanded. The Taylor knockout factor uses a method of measuring physics from observations while hunting elephants. These are also based on headshots. The formula is the mass of the bullet times velocity of the bullet times the diameter of the bullet divided by 7,000 times the conversion of grains to pounds. The Thorniley stopping power formula is based on well-placed body shots on animals, and this formula is 2.866, which is a constant, times the velocity times the mass of the bullet divided by 7,000 divided by the diameter of the bullet. The Hatcher relative stopping power formula uses bullet shape and profile to help determine the stopping power. The formula for RSP is mass, or momentum of bullet in foot-pounds per second, which is calculated as mass times velocity, divided by 2 times the acceleration of gravity in feet per second squared, times the frontal area of the bullet in squared inches, and times the bullet form factor based on the list of bullet types by Hatcher. The 4th type is the Hatcher RSP expanded. It's the same as the Hatcher RSP formula, but it has 2 extra values for JHP and soft point loads. For part 2, I do somewhat agree with the formulas. Using the same sources in part 1, many of this research seems to have been done while hunting, but a well-placed shot with even a small caliber round will stop an animal. I think that with the increase in technology, there will be better studies and a single formula that can calculate the stopping power. I also believe that stopping power is going to be based on how much energy the round produces and how much of that is transferred to the target. I think a lot of that will be based on projectile's performance upon striking the target. As for part 3, modern ballistics has changed these concepts a little bit so far. Again, going back to the same blog on usconcealedcarry.com, it discusses how one of these theories, the Hatcher relative stopping power formula, has already expanded due to newer types of projectiles that have been produced, and I am sure this will continue in the future.